Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a flex cable. First, carefully identify the specific type of flex cable you are working with and understand its role in the device. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a precision soldering iron, a multimeter for testing, and a magnifying glass for detailed inspection. Always prepare a clean, static-free environment to protect sensitive electronic components. Remember to disconnect all power sources and safely discharge any residual electricity before beginning. Now, let's move on to inspecting the damage. Begin by visually examining the entire flex cable for any obvious signs of wear, such as tears, sharp creases, or burn marks. Then, use your multimeter to perform continuity tests across the individual traces, which will help you pinpoint any breaks in the circuit. Identifying the precise location of the damage is crucial for an effective repair. Also, carefully inspect the connectors for any bent pins or signs of corrosion. For minor damage, begin by thoroughly cleaning the affected area with 99% isopropyl alcohol to remove any debris. If the break is small, you can carefully apply a thin layer of conductive silver epoxy or paint to restore the connection. For more significant breaks, you might need to bridge the gap using a very fine gauge wire, carefully soldering it into place. Always insulate your repairs with heat shrink tubing or Kapton tape to prevent short circuits and ensure durability. After completing your repair, it's time for thorough testing. Use your multimeter to perform continuity checks on all the repaired traces, ensuring that conductivity has been fully restored. Gently flex the cable to confirm the repair is robust and won't break under normal use. When reassembling the device, take care to route the flex cable correctly, avoiding any sharp bends or pinches. Finally, power on your device and verify that the component connected by the flex cable is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.